The kispangut kiriumi kmat na kiri beper kilawan poisha ke Jingialang ke Baarsngi jong ke G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting SELM kabelalong ha Hotel Courtyard Marriott Jail Road Shillong ha ka khatnyo bat khat pratrik wiyayong banyata yathir halor kapang Space Economy Policy and New Space. Yakini ke Jingialang la penbit penbiang de ke Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO Department of Space jong ke Sarkar India de ke Jingialang jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya but ke Ministry of External Affairs jong ke Sarkar India. Hakani ke Jingialang le shiminta de ke ambassadors ki high commissioners but ke officer bemikmat ye ke arpau tli ki ri jong ke Perthai.
Propose that the different programs and the sessions should be held in different parts of the country. And as a result, today we are seeing that this particular program and this particular area is of space technology and space economy. The program is being held here in Shillong, and we are co-hosting it with the Department of Space. And I would like to once again thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his great vision to ensure that all the different states would participate in the overall G20 program. We'd also take this opportunity to welcome all the delegates. We're very happy and I hope that they are comfortable. And this program also is something that we're very excited about. It's a subject that is something that is going to be of great importance to not just our state but the entire world. And therefore, we're happy that important decisions, discussions and policy matters will be discussed here in Shillong when it comes to the collaboration of different programs being held by different countries. As you know, the G20 countries, almost all the G20 nations are investing very, very aggressively in space technology. And therefore, the timing of this particular program in Shillong is of great importance because we are seeing that that in the area of space technology, that there are a lot of areas which need to be worked out. There is policy matters need to be discussed. All the countries need to come together and discuss how they should move forward. So hence the timing of this program also is very crucial, and therefore we are very happy that Shillong is becoming part of a very important historic discussion that is taking place on space technology and space economy. Overall, as G20, Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole has to contribute, and I'm sure will contribute more in the coming years. We have seen that slowly and steadily Northeast India has been now contributing much more to the overall economic activity in the country, and we are hopeful that through these programs we will see much more collaboration between the Northeast states and the G20 nations, so that we're able to build up the overall economic work that's going on in the state and in the region as well.